Hey guys, welcome back to Record-ology. Okay, how would you like to win this absolutely free? I'm going to tell you how you can do that in this episode coming up. You're not going to want to miss this.
This is Record-ology.
Our friends over at Crosley sent us another one of these RSD3s. Now, we did a show about this a few months ago. The RSD3 was released at Record Store Day 2019, and yeah, it's super cool. It's a real fully functional mini record player, and it plays 3-inch records, which you can find online. The format isn't brand new. It's been around for some time. It was a Japanese format originally. And yeah, this is really cool because it's essentially, like you've heard me talk about the Crosley C100, and this is essentially a miniature C100. So, look at this, guys. I was not expecting this. We've got records in here. Look at this. Okay, we're going to set the records aside. Pretend you didn't see that. We're just going to keep going with the record player itself. So, we've got audio cables. We've got foam blocking material. Now, they've done some amazing and surprising things with this player that I want you guys to take a look at. All right, let's zoom in and take a closer look. Very well packaged. We've got our little miniature dust cover here. Now, check this out. This is really, really neat what they've done here. Even though it's miniature, it still has that high quality adhesive cling wrap. And this dust cover is still made out of that same type of plastic. I'm guessing it's like a polycarbonate, which is the same type of plastic that CDs are made out of. But yeah, look at that. And the unit itself is wrapped in that same type of plastic that a full-size record comes in. And look at that, you guys. That is the RSD3 mini record player. It's got a felt slip mat. It's got an on and off volume knob right here. It's even got a pitch slider, and yes, that's a real pitch slider. And there's a little indent for the 0 position. It's got a weighted counterbalance. And yes, my friends, it has a moving magnetic cartridge. That is an Audio-Technica moving magnetic cartridge. Check that out. All right, let's go ahead and set it up. Okay, now this unit has rubberized feet on the bottom. And on the back, it does have an audio output, so you can hook this up to a big stereo system. In fact, we're going to do a direct feed sound test. It does take batteries. There is a battery door on the bottom. However, I'm going to power it off of a 5-volt power supply. It's a USB, mini USB jack, so that's what we're going to do. That's pretty much all there is to it, you guys. I'm going to take off our twisty tie here. Check this out. They even have mini spacers, because this thing will play records with big holes and little holes as well, kind of like a 45. So they give you a couple of these because they figure you're probably going to lose it. And then what's really neat is this cover doesn't hinge, but it's got this extra piece of plastic right here that will keep that adapter in place. If I can line this up properly. Yeah. So you'll see there's a little piece of plastic back there just to keep that in place. All right, so let's go ahead and power it on. And we're going to go ahead and give it a listen. But first, before we do that, I want to look at these records we've got, you guys. I was not expecting this. The first record we have here is The Lion King, Can You Feel the Love Tonight? These can hold about 2 minutes of music, if I remember correctly. And what's really neat about it is they've been able to truncate some of the songs to fit. But you get, you know, pretty much full fidelity recordings. These are more like of a plastic disc versus regular vinyl. But you know, we can demonstrate, you know, really good sound quality coming off of this. But look at this, so cool. Just look at that, isn't that cool? 3-inch records. Oh, okay. This is so awesome. We've got Aladdin, A Whole New World. Guys, I'm just, oh no. Yes, guys. You've Got a Friend in Me, Toy Story. Is that not the coolest thing ever made? I keep saying that about stuff lately, but I keep getting impressed. This is so awesome. I am so excited, you guys. Look at this. What I was expecting were these. Now you may say, well, first of all, that's really awesome. You've got Charlie Brown Christmas records, but why do you have 4 of them? Well, what they did with this set, it's kind of neat, is they have 4 different songs. They've got Linus and Lucy, Christmas Time Is Here, Skating and Hark the Herald Angels Sing, but you don't know, it's a blind box, so you don't know which of those records you are going to get. But we are going to open them right now. I am going to open them and we'll see what we got. I love these things, they're so cool. Look at this. And that's why you need the adapter, because it's kind of like a 45. Some of them have this, you know, larger hole. And they spin at 33 RPM, and they are one-sided, as you can see. Look at that, you guys, a fully functional, real record. Okay, so we got Christmas Time is here, and what else do we got in here? This little, oh, it's a sleeve. Oh, look at that, that is so cool. Look at that. Oh, that is so awesome, you guys. And sometimes they'll include like a little poster or something. What is this? Oh, you guys, this is too cool. Look at this. You guys, this is the coolest. Oh, look at that. Is that not the most awesome thing ever? Oh, that is so cool. Okay, so we got 3 more of these. Let's see what other records we got. Oh, this is so cool. This one is Linus and Lucy, probably my favorite of all. I'm going to put it in a little sleeve there. This is so cool. 3-inch records. I have like a 3-inch record collection now. And then I assume this is the same poster. Let's find out. Yes. You guys, this is, oh look! Okay, so we got a different picture on the back. Oh, that's so cool. Alright, let's keep going. It's like Christmas morning. This is so cool. Oh, this is so neat. Look at this. Skating. And this poster. I think it has a picture of them skating. That is so awesome. Alright, one more of these ones and then we'll look through the other records and then we'll give a sound test. This is the neatest thing. And then this one is Hark the Herald Angels Sing. Got the complete set. So cool. Oh, would you look at this, guys. Look at this, it's so cool. Yeah, that's gonna be me on Christmas, dude. Totally exhausted, but having lived and enjoyed every minute of it. Okay, let's look at some of these other records here. This is so cool. This was, what an amazing surprise, guys. I didn't even know they had, you know, these Disney records. Oh, look at it! No! This may be the coolest thing ever made. Clear green 3-inch vinyl with Disney music on it. This is the most amazing thing I think I've ever seen in my life. Oh, cool. Look at the artwork. I'm such a Disney head, you guys. Look at that. So cool. And this is why records are fun, you guys. The liner notes, the tactile involvement. Toy Story, guys. Oh, so exciting. This is so fun. This is so cool. Red. Awesome. Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to try and speed it along so you guys don't have to have the world's longest show ever, because I know you've got other things to do and see out there in the YouTube verse. Look at that. I love Toy Story. I love it. 2 more to go, and then we'll get to the sound test. Oh, I can already see it's blue. Come on. Just stop. Disney, take my money now. Crosley, take my money now. This stuff is so awesome and so fun. And how unique. How unique. You don't get this with streaming. You don't get this with streaming. Okay, one more Disney record, you guys. The Lion King. This is so cool. Look at these. Yellow. Oh, that is so awesome. Colored 3-inch records with posters. Little miniature sleeves. 33 RPM. Still fully stereo. And what a fun and cool thing. And truly a portable record player too, because you could put batteries in this thing and take it anywhere and play your records on there. Really cool. All right, let me clean up this mess and we'll give it a sound test, and including an ambient sound test in the room to listen to the speaker, and then we'll do another sound test where I plug into it directly. What's better than one Crosley RSD3? Two Crosley RSD3s. That is because we are giving away a Crosley RSD3. You can win one of these two record players, and it's just so cool, you guys. I mean, look at this. So here's a little quick copyright-friendly sample of Toy Story here. So let's give it a listen.
When the road looks rough ahead and you're miles and miles from your nice warm bed,
Okay, so there's that.
I can show you the world, shining, shimmering, splendid.
Okay, one more before we do the direct feed. I'm gonna put this on here. It's Lion King. Can you feel the love tonight?
The peace the evening brings,
Okay, so we're gonna really stretch its legs. We are going to do a direct feed sound test, you guys. I am going to start the record right after I plug the output from the back of the turntable directly into the digital recorder. We'll be using the Zoom digital recorder like we usually do. We'll be capturing extremely high quality audio, and really it'll give us a chance to see, you know, the quality of these records and of the player. So without further ado, here we go. Okay guys, I hope you thought that was as awesome as I did. Now, I've got a surprise for you. Like we said, we are going to be giving away one of these record players, but not only am I going to give you this record player, I'm going to give you a record. You're going to get the Foo Fighters record, Big Me, and this is really cool. It's the same basic idea. You've got the little slip case, you've got the little record sleeve, and the little 3-inch record in there with the Foo Fighters classic, and it even comes with a Foo Fighters poster. So this will be included with your new record player, but you're probably wondering, how do I win this new record player? So stay tuned to the end and I'll tell you exactly how you can win one of these record players. Okay guys, so now you know what the RSD3 is all about. Super cool, super fun, definitely a novelty item, but it's got some amazing features, and like having an Audio-Technica cartridge, I think is pretty amazing. Just a great little unit. So if you want to get one of these for free, I am giving one away, and here's how you can win. So to celebrate the completion of Vlogmas. By the way, are you watching the Vlogmas series we're doing? Every single day through Christmas, we've been doing shows highlighting all kinds of cool activities and stuff. You might see something you've never seen before. Plus, there's some rare stuff that you're not going to see in the regular show that we're only doing in Vlogmas. Anyway, to celebrate the completion of Vlogmas, we are going to be doing a live show on Christmas night. That's the night of the 25th. And on that live show, I will be giving away one of these RSD3 record players to one lucky viewer, but I'm thinking probably 7 or 8 p.m. Mountain Standard Time on the night of the 25th. And I will be giving one of these away. Could be you. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Definitely check out our other series that we're doing, our Vlogmas series. But in the meantime, happy record hunting. We'll see you next time.
Thank you for watching Record-ology. Stay tuned for a new show every Sunday and Wednesday. Don't forget to hit subscribe and check us out on Instagram and Twitter.